Hello friends, in this video I will match this photo to a reference image. Here it is. I will use the function of matching color gradient to reference in 3D LUT Creator. Firstly, I will need to add color samples from the reference and from my image to the palette. I will choose an eyedropper and take the colors from the areas of the skin with different brightness levels. You should try to avoid skin with color reflections or highlights. Also, do not add colors from areas with makeup. There is a separate video about matching color gradient to reference image. I will leave a link to it in the comments. That's what I got. Now I'm going to do the same thing with my image. I don't see a blush on the cheeks here, so I'll take some samples from there as well. Pay attention to the hand. You can clearly see the red reflection from the shirt. Do not take skin color from such places. Let's sort color samples by luminance. This way, it will be easier to evaluate them for the presence of wrong shades. They look fine to me. Now everything is ready to use the function of matching color gradient to reference in 3D LUT Creator. I'm going to start with Luminance slider. In this case, the matching of luminance can be reduced to 0, since the original brightness suits me. You can reduce the number of colors that are knocked out of my color grading with the help of Variability slider. The saturation slider can be moved to the left to dim the color of the shirt. For example, like this. Here's what happened. Here is a photo before, and here is after. Here is a reference image. Let's take a closer look. I don't see any artifacts here. The only thing I don't like is that colors that are close to neutrals change their hue. I'm going to fix this with a saturation mask. Let's compare the whites of the eyes. Here is a photo without a mask. Here is with one. That's all. I hope this video was useful to you. Bye everyone.